大家好. Never learned a language before? Perfect. I began in college, and so can you.
It's a great resume builder. There's a lot of opportunity because of it.
Один коричневый, один черный.
I love learning the language. It makes you think in a different way, and it really opens up a whole new world of understanding new people and getting to connect with them.
As a English-speaking person in China, you can earn a lot of money.
Welcome to the University of Wisconsin-La Crosse, Global Cultures and Languages.
My name is Antonio Martin Gomez, and I'm an assistant professor of Spanish. Students, they want to complement their major with the skills and abilities that can actually make them more marketable.
My name's Anthony Villarreal. My major is marketing in the College of Business Administration, and I've got a minor in French. That's something that kind of takes a limit away that sets me apart.
My name is Austin Heinzone, and I am a master's student at Hangzhou Normal University. Having these languages, both Spanish and Chinese, in my repertoire have opened up my world tenfold to speaking with new people, learning about other cultures.
My name is Grace Albee. I've already been working in the hospital and encountered many Spanish-speaking patients, so even a baseline knowledge of the new language just can help you establish that relationship with your patient.
We also provide them with as many opportunities as we can to practice the language before they graduate. That can be through virtual exchanges with the students from Latin America and also students from French-speaking countries.
And we get to essentially FaceTime weekly for about an hour, and half the conversation in English so they can practice their skills, and half the conversation in Spanish, and you can talk about whatever you want. And not only has that helped me feel more confident in my Spanish speaking, but it's also been really fun to just learn about the life in Peru and what life would look like as a university student there.
My name is Noelle Hackenmuller. I'm majoring in Spanish education and TESOL education, which is teaching English to speakers of other languages, and then I have a linguistics minor. There are so many study abroad programs. For example, they have faculty-led study abroad programs where you can go with a faculty and study abroad in a country and take classes with that faculty. Otherwise, there's direct enroll, which is something that I did, where you enroll in a foreign university and then you attend there. They have exchange programs where you pay UWL tuition and then go to a different university. There's so many different options.
We also have community engagement courses, and students collaborate with local organizations. The idea is for students to create projects, develop practical skills addressing real needs in the community through language.
Our undergraduate programs include Chinese studies, French, Russian studies, and Spanish. And there are options for which you can just take a few courses to earn certificates in Chinese language proficiency, Intercultural competence, Russian studies, Spanish for business and organizations, and Spanish for health professions.
It just feels like something that I'm going to get to use for the rest of my life.
For more information about the global cultures and languages, go to uwlax.edu/go/GCL. Muchas gracias.